It's time for the Bandu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
That's right, wherever is the call right now. First of all, good morning, everybody. आप सभी लोग हमारे तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
नमस्कार
वणक्कम,
नमस्कार
खुशामदीद,
सलाम
सत श्री अकाल,
मेरे वंदनम
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेंद्र,
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद
मौलाली मतलब बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बदल बोले के नीसा मतलब बदजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं से फालतू बाबा
and of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally बस्तारी बद जा रहे
That's right, Bajan. A big Wachel Chappy and Puppy for the first day of the year and the first day of the decade.
Whoa, that's right, Badajan. The first day of the entire decade. My God.
Can you imagine, Father, this millennium, right? 20 years already are gone. Decades are just... Well, actually, I was going to give you traffic, but traffic कुछ भी नहीं है. आप लोग January 1st को सब लोग shelter in place कर रहे हैं. And yes, let me remind you, Punjab, we still are sheltering in place. If at all your party last night, okay, I hope you partied responsibly by making sure that you're not, you are masking and you actually are washing hands, maintaining physical distancing and all those things, Punjab. And of course, if you haven't, I would advise just go get yourself tested anyways, right?
That's right.
Tested for the COVID virus, because we still don't know spreading. There is some news about it mutating. What's going to happen over here? California already, yesterday we shared with you, good morning, that we already have had the first mutant virus in our midst. That's in California itself, so got to be mindful of Badajam. And let me tell you, I'm not trying to start the year off with a morbid kind of a note, right, Fatwani?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to tell you guys that hang in there. We're almost there. Let's just fire it off some more time. It's 290 days of sheltering in place. Yesterday was 89, right? Today is 90, 290 days of sheltering in place. We are keeping count of it, yes, if you're wondering, what, really? Yeah. Hope it just ends at this, or, okay, fine, you know what, let it be 365, and after that, I hope they remove the sheltering in place for everybody. But it doesn't seem to be that way, but we'll share the news with you guys about what's happening in California, what's happening around the world, and around us, Banjan, right now, in our news updates. Faltani, if you're ready for it, we'd like to go and see what's happening in the news. What do you think?
Sure, absolutely. Infectious COVID-19 variant has now been found in Florida, Bandajan. A Wisconsin pharmacist arrested on charges of sabotaging the COVID vaccine doses. Senate moves forward, overriding the Trump defense bill in a big blow to Trump. In dueling New Year messages, Trump reflects while Biden ahead. U.S. Senator David Perdue, who's running in the Georgia Senate elections, is now quarantining after the coronavirus contact days before the runoff vote. Here, like no other, New York's Times Square. That's right, Banjan. My first New Year's was in New York's Times Square, was emptied out on New Year's Eve. Sony is going to be launching PlayStation 5 in India in January. Electric vehicle Tesla is going to start delivering China-made Model Y SUVs this month. The SolarWinds hackers, remember the people who got to our local and state governments?
Yeah.
They accessed a Microsoft source code, is what they're saying. And also in news from India, Banajan, the army has ordered 12 specialized fast patrol boats for Pangong, so amidst the military rotation with China. In terms of the coronavirus live updates, there is, remember we talked about a vaccine called Covaxin?
Yeah, happened to that.
There is no approval for it yet. The expert panel is seeking more data from Bharat Biotech. Also, yesterday there was a breaking news out later yesterday afternoon that China offered bounties to fighters in Afghanistan to kill US soldiers.
Oh, wow.
And finally, let's also tell you, Banjan, that here locally, do you have any updates for us, Altu Baba, in terms of numbers, or are they closed at this particular point?
No, we do have as of yesterday, updated as of yesterday, Banjan. That's right, 31st December, very current news for you guys. Unfortunately, California is on the rise again of 1.2%. It's incrementally going up, even if it's 1.2 percentage points, like almost 27,000 people. 27,000 plus that 20,237, what an odd number, right?
Yeah.
New cases. Right, that's a rise every day. That's quite a big number.
Right.
And total deaths in California, Banjan, also is very disturbing. Almost 1.7% increase.
Yeah.
which actually translates to around 428 people dying of this coronavirus. Brajam. If you want to know more what's happening in Santa Clara, I'd be happy to share that. What do you think? Should I share that with you guys right now?
Yeah, sure.
Well, Santa Clara County is again, it is on the rise, close to around 636 new cases as of yesterday.
Wow.
And with that just means that no, if at all people have congregated over the weekend, over yesterday, last night, Faltwani,
Right.
those generally will come up only if at all things happen. It'll
Yeah.
come up after like 2 weeks. So we've seen the pattern that way itself.
Yeah.
After the Thanksgiving, suddenly everything like 15 days ke baad mein spike. We don't know what's going to happen over here. Santa Clara County, of course, the situation of the ICU beds in the region of Bay Area, entirely Bay Area region, it's still dismal. In fact, it is at the range of around 8.5% right now. In other words, because of the new cases coming in, of course, remember, Baljan, they're not taking all cases into ICU.
Yeah.
Only the severe ones go to ICU, but that also is a big thing crash right now. And California as a whole is undergoing some kind of pressure right now with the hospital system and everything. So we are still in the purple. 2021, just grit it out. They say it's going to get worse before it gets better.
I hope so. Is
well,
that?
I hope the worst is done. I don't want anything worse to happen in this one. So
Yes, exactly.
hoping that 2021 everybody is healthy and safe is what we're wishing everybody out there. So that was the update on what's happening with the virus situation, the data on that, and what's happening
California.
in California, specifically in California, Baranjan, because that's where we actually are located, and that's what I'm more concerned about also.
Right.
And yes, vaccine situation part of it, not given to the public as yet, but of course it's been dispensed out to people who first responders and on hospitals and everything, Banajan. When that happens, probably we'll be here yelling out, telling you what is the order and how you can actually go get your vaccination done.
Yeah.
So we'll talk about all those things. A lot of politics behind vaccination also, Banajan. We'll come to that later on. But Abhi ke liye, that's the update for you for already for the local news in terms of the numbers of coronavirus.
Right, but across the world, Alto Baba, while the world is saying goodbye or good riddance to 2020, a year in which a pandemic brought hardship and pain to billions, some of those who have been fighting the virus on the front line soldiered on even as the clock passed midnight. So they were still working. Like at the Casapaloco COVID-3 hospital on the outskirts of Rome, doctors and nurses barely seemed to register the new year as they tended to 100 new patients struggling with serious to critical illness. In one particular intensive care ward, all but one of a dozen beds were occupied. Medical staff calmly tended to patients lying in their rooms, dispensed medication and checked respiratory medicines and filled in medical records. And Italy was the early center of the epidemic in Europe, remember? Images of Italian doctors and nurses exhausted as they briefly removed their protective gear became a grim portent what would happen to their colleagues in Spain, France, and the United States and elsewhere some months later. Now, 83 million infections of the coronavirus have been confirmed worldwide and over 1.8 million deaths. Along with the elderly, medical staff have been particularly hard hit because most of the deaths are coming from the first responders as well, Alto Baba. Struggling to save patients even as their own colleagues have fallen ill with disease. Most nobody could have ever imagined over a year ago. So that's the update with regard to the coronavirus. What they're saying is that New Year comes to the COVID ward with hopes to end the nightmare.
Well, actually, I'll tell you what, that's true, but there also has been some news which is actually we shared yesterday with you guys. It's couple odd data we are trying to look for it and share with you. There was some news about the fact that there was a variant and one of the workers who actually had the vaccination already done contracted the virus again.
Right.
So in other words, the Pfizer's in the research mode right now to see why and what's the data behind it. What are the reasons why they got it? Because they claim that they require to have at least some time before the immune system in the body kicks in.
Right.
So by vaccinating ke baad bhi you're not safe. So in other words, it's not like a bulletproof thing which you waste when you walk around wearing a vaccine. You still have to maintain the rules of wearing a mask, physical distancing. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say that even if the vaccine aa gaya, it's not like the cure-all kind of a thing. And second thing, worst case, is seeing the variants of all these viruses coming up and no confirmation from the manufacturer of vaccine saying that the variants can be addressed with the current vaccine which we have right now.
Correct. And speaking of vaccine, Alto Baba, a Wisconsin hospital pharmacist has been arrested on Thursday on suspicion of sabotaging more than 500 doses of the coronavirus by deliberately removing them from refrigeration reputation to spoil, apparently.
Why would they do that?
They don't know. He's an employee of Aurora Medical Center in Grafton, Wisconsin. And at the time, that's 57 vials of the vaccine were found left out of cold storage earlier this week. And he has since been fired, but has not been publicly identified because people will obviously kill him, right?
Wait, not a question. Could be a negligence also.
No, each vial, I mean, they're saying that he did it on purpose. Moderna Inc. is the vaccine, that particular, the maker of the vaccine has assured the hospital that receiving an injection of any of the doses removed from refrigeration poses no safety issue other than leaving the recipient unprotected from the COVID infection. So we'll see how that's going to pan out. But one big breaking news that I shared was that President Donald Trump's fellow Republicans in the U.S. Senate are expected to take steps overriding his veto of the major defense bill in a rare New Year's Day session on Friday and hand him his first major rebuke 20 days before he leaves office. Republican lawmakers have largely stood by the president during the turbulent 4 years. Since losing his re-election bid in November, Trump lashed out at them, not fully backing his unsupported aims of voting fraud, rejecting his demand for COVID-19 relief checks, and for moving towards the veto override. So this meeting that's convened right now, right? It's going on right now. It's going to take up the $740 billion National Defense Authorization Act, which Trump refused to sign into law because it does not repeal certain legal protections for tech companies. Speaking of tech companies, Trump has made some major. He's moved forward with some sweeping immigration reforms. U.S. President Donald Trump has extended on the most sought-after H-1B visas, Banajan, with other types of foreign work visas by 3 months to protect American workers, saying while therapeutics and COVID-19 vaccines are recently available, their effect on the local market and the community have not yet been fully realized. The decision is going to impact a large number of Indian IT professionals and several American and companies who were issued H-1B visas by the U.S. government for the fiscal year 2021 beginning October 1st. So there's a whole bunch of other immigration reform that he has brought out. We will share that on MediaMahima.com, Banajan. It is, even though many business groups have gone ahead and tried to fight him on it, he has still gone ahead and pressed ahead with those immigration reforms.
Yeah, nobody can stop him right now.
Yes, nobody can stop.
He also knows that he has a trump card.
What is
No
it?
pun intended.
What do you mean?
He'll pardon himself afterwards.
He's not allowed to pardon himself, it seems. I don't know.
Finally, you can.
I don't know. I'm not sure. I heard. A forum exclusive where they were talking about pardons and then.
No, but see, this is the thing. No, the law is always left for interpretation,
Yeah.
and that's why we require have a debate on that.
Right.
And people should make sure that he doesn't interpret it the way he wants to interpret it.
Correct. I mean,
Anyway, that was the news updates for you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful beginning of the year.
yes.
I know, but yeah, stay safe, stay home, mask up, and wash up, as in your hands and your face, and of course, occasionally shower for sure, please.
Yes, but the challenge.
Please.
Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. We'll try to be back tonight with the Mahima Wala Pam Pam show. Tune in for some wonderful music, and we will tell you ki jago
Yeah, but from the movie which has hit very bad, Rock On 2.
by the demonetization.
Yeah, 2016 की बात है बलजान. November 2016 को रिलीज हुआ था. November 8th को नोटबंदी हुई, and they blamed the loss of the particular movie on the fact that people did not go out and spend money in the theaters. Well, did it do well in OTT? We don't know. Was it available on OTT? I don't know. Well, we'll know, Banajan, when we go into the show in the evening. And अभी के लिए बच्चन आपके लिए ये गाना छोड़ते हैं हम लोग. Have a magnificent, have a fantastic Friday and a weekend, Banajan. We'll see you guys bright and early on Monday with Good Morning Bay.
Happy 2021 to everybody.
2021.
और फिर से लिखो तकदीर तुम कोई लवाज रोके रुकना नहीं रीतों के रस्म के आगे झुकना नहीं उठो और तोड़ डालो संजीर तुम मिटा दो और फिर से लिखो तकदीर तुम सर जाए तुमको पहचान जाए तुमको मान जाए तुमको हे जागोरी जाए तुमको, पहचान जाए तुमको, हमारे जब तुमको है।
Hi, this is Farhan Akhtar and you're listening to Radio The Hotties, where the entertainment just keeps getting hotter.
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music with the Jan for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to mediamahima.com.